ए होकोंड मध्ये जो ठीक नाही बाबा
आता आपण हात धरू. कोणाचे?
येऊ नाही मरे फटिया
कोण देव?
सेवन में प्रॉमिस केले हे आमचं
फोटो काढून
तुम्ही साईड राहा फाटी गेले ट्रायपॉड फाटी मस्त घेता फोटो घेता मरे मस्त फाटी मरे घेता मस्त प्रेमी येता मरे मागीर घ्या मरे बाय फोटो घेता फक्त चला घ्या
आज सीएमान घेऊन मेळ्ळ्या तुम्ही किती एश्युरन्स दिला सीएमान तुमकां?
See, it's a shelter home for people with mental disabilities, which we are running last 7 years. Last year, the government of Goa through social welfare has declared us the best NGO. Now, all these people, out of 180 inmates, 70% are Goans. Out of ladies, 85% are Goans. So, we have been taking grant from Women and Child and Social Welfare Department. Women and Child, we have one home which has been funded last 4 years at a rate of 6.5 lakhs to 7 lakh rupees a year. It has with some 10% increase. 2020, there was a scheme called Swadargraha, which the Women and Child Department advertised, paid a few lakhs of rupees, but nobody took the scheme because the rules were very difficult and nobody was having the infrastructure. So they called us in December 2020 and we applied for the scheme. The scheme was accepted and we started a home in COVID, that is April 21. March 22 we realized that they were not giving us the money, so we complained to the Disability Commissioner, Mr. Guru Pavaskar. He issued a notice to Women and Child Director and that matter went on for 8 months to 9 months. Whereas we ran the scheme again for the next year from 1st April 2022 because they did not tell us to stop, neither did they tell us to start. In December 22, they told us that we cannot give you the money. You convert this scheme into a state scheme, which we agreed. But when we converted to a state scheme, the secretary, Mr. Arun Kumar Mishra ji, promised, assured and wrote on the paper that this scheme will be paid 80% of what was the central government. Now December 1st, 2023, they have issued an order to us. For half the rate. That means for 20 ladies, they are paying us 2,500 rupees. So when I have been following up with this department, 52 Mondays I have gone to Women and Child Department for the full year, moving the file, checking the file, talking to them, making them call everybody. 8 to 9 times I have followed up with Mishra ji. He has said the money will be given to you. Now when they are giving me 6,40,000 to look after 20 ladies, that comes to 2,500 rupees, which is not acceptable. In between last year, a particular minister who was concerned about persons with disability approached the deputy director and she assured to move the file and upgrade the scheme. Today she said, I forgot to move the file. That calculation is done in 2003, what they are paying us that for the state scheme. And now we are 2023. At 2,500 rupees, why I should waste my time? Then she's saying, I will take over your homes. So I told her, you take over the homes, but the homes are on rent. They are paying us 6,000 rupees rent and we are paying 15 to 18,000 rupees rent. The evaluation of the home, this particular home is done at 43,000 rupees by the PWD department. The scheme says you have to pay us 18,000 rupees, but when we have put the paper for 18, she is paying us 6,000. So the issue is Jyoti Desai. We are accusing Jyoti Desai, the deputy director, of not cooperating with anybody in that department. Forget me. She has troubled the previous director and now she's troubling the current director. I have seen my files not signed by her. It has been signed by director and secretary, but not signed by her.
Who Jyoti sir?
Jyoti Desai. She is acting tough. Last year I told her I'll bring the person. She said bring. I got up. She said sit, and she gave me some money. Every time we cannot come on the street. I have a full-time job. I work in a company. I'm not running on the NGO. I'm living on the NGO. The same scheme for men is given by social welfare, paid advance. With respect, they teach us. They treat us. You give any money, give with respect. You cannot give April 21, 22 money in December 23 and that to half the rate. Because you forgot, your staff forgot. How are we responsible? You can't threaten me, I'll take over your homes. Take over. I am not saying don't take. You shut me down. You shut me down. I'm ready to close all the homes. 180 people I'll put on the street tomorrow morning. Let them take them.
She's telling you shut down?
She's telling me we'll take over your homes.
And do what?
We will run. Run, I told her. Take for my home first. I told her for 2,500 rupees you are going to get somebody to walk in your home. See the capacity and guts she got. She tell me you are threatening me. I said I'm not threatening you. I am frustrated. I am disappointed. I am upset. These are not my concern. This is the state concern. She's saying I'm doing you a favor. I told her what favor you're doing me? By approving a file. I said cancel the file. Cancel the file. Don't accept my application and tell Goa police, tell IPHB, tell district hospital. Don't recommend patients to us. We are not collecting anybody. It's all come through these departments. Give your numbers. From tomorrow I will give her number out. Director is ready to approve. She is not ready to approve. Director and she are not seeing eye to eye. People are suffering there. And this is not the first time it's happening.
What is the reason she's not ready?
She's saying you are taking so much money from the government. I told her I have so many people. These are my people. For 5,000 rupees you can look after a person with mental disability. She should issue a notice to the police. Don't bring them to our home. We are not begging now. We have 240 beds. If we convert 240 beds to paid at the rate of 25,000, we can make 50-60 lakhs. Why the hell we need to die here? If we are giving a service to the people in Goa, there is a commitment. If you cannot keep the commitment, you issue me a notice now and say we are cancelling the file. How you expect some? How? All of them are taking psychiatric medicine from 6 tablets to 9 tablets to 12 tablets to 13 tablets. This is one set. I will show you another set beyond repairs. All are Goans. End of this year, there will be more than 240 Goans in my home. So, who is going to pay the bill? Okay, we appreciate the government giving us support. I'll tell where the government is giving support. Only this department is support. IPHB, GMC, District Hospital is giving us good support. We don't have any complaint. Social welfare, giving good support, no complaint. Ration, civil supplies, giving us ration, no complaint. We don't have any issue with no department. This lady is acting tough. She has told I'm doing you a favor, which she is not doing me a favor. I am doing a service. If you don't like me, tell me to get lost, I'll go. Tomorrow, just now I'll go. Just now you tell me you'll take all the 20 ladies, we will go. We'll hand over to you. She tell me go and put in this home. How will I put? How can you say you forgot?
Doesn't she know that you're doing service?
She's saying I know, but I cannot do anything. I said you cannot do. You should have told me no, I cannot do. So how will I work with 2,500 rupees? We should use, that scheme is calculated in 2003. We are in 2023. Every time she comes, she turns the file. I told her stop turning the file. We'll talk point to point. You want me or you don't want me? If you don't want me, terminate me. If you want me, pay me what I am asking, what you are supposed to give. I'm not saying 5,000 rupees you can look after a person with sight. We are saying at least give 5,000. So this cannot go on. CM has assured to look into the matter. Yesterday we made an SOS appeal to Health Minister, to Women and Child Minister. We have informed Director of Social Welfare, Director of Minister of Social Welfare. We have informed everybody. Baba, this is our problem. Either you all solve it or we go.
What CM is told now?
Monday.
Okay, now tell us what is the message that you would like to tell the minister from this?
See, Health Minister is not aware what, the Women and Child Minister is not aware of what Jyoti is doing. Jyoti is running the department. You all go and ask. Don't listen to what I'm saying. You go to Jyoti madam, you go to the previous director and go to the current director and see for yourself. This is not the way to run a department. And I'm not the only guy complaining. People are scared to complain. Tomorrow they will take revenge. I know. I'm ready.
The health minister.
See, all the ministers lift my phone except the health minister. So I cannot, see, I have a job. You want me to write letters to everybody? Don't you know what is happening in the state? I robbed them and brought them to my home. See, there's a lady from this From his department. Where is that?
She's gone in the bus.
From his constituency,
Walkway-ची आमची.
house was burnt. Police were giving a place to stay in the police station in the day and sleep in the school in the night. Till today, he's not gone to see her. What will say? Don't take. We will take anybody. It's a human being, and priority governs. We will take. But 2,500 rupees. I mean, where we have reached, and that too after 2 years. And you are doing me a favor and telling me that you are passing my file. Pass your file. Every director thinks we are making money. So you take my seat, I'll take your seat. You make money. If you think there's so much money in NGOs, you come. You also start my NGOs. You also start shelter homes.
So you have brought this to the notice of Chief Minister now?
Yes.
Last year, Chief Minister gave me Best NGO Award at his hands. Chief Minister also receives my messages daily. All ministers receive my broadcast daily. Everybody knows what I'm doing. But this is not the way that we should bring them to here and come. No, we told Jyoti madam, you calm down, see and take a decision. She said no. We were forced to take her up. We took all these inmates to all these ladies to her floor. She said come after 15 days. I told you keep up for 15 days in some shelter. She said let me go and drop them there. I said why? You drop them if you want.
No, now since you have discussed everything with the Chief Minister, what has Chief Minister said?
On Monday he will sort it out. Nobody can avoid this because Women and Child Secretary has assured me that he will pay me 80% of the central government scheme to the state government scheme. I'm not even asking 100% of what I paid. I'm saying give me 80% because you assured. You are giving 50%. 50% comes to 2,500 and it is not 1 year, it is 2 years. So where do we go from here?
government is giving?
The scheme is 12 lakhs, the central government. The state government scheme is about 6.5 lakhs. The state government is for 10 people, the central government is for 20 people. We have looked after 20 people. You are giving me 20 people's money at the rate of 10 people. It comes to 2,500. You be like social welfare, no? Give advance. If one department is giving advance, why you are not giving? Both are coming from the same finance. This ministry. They are treating me like they are doing me a favor. I am not doing a favor. I am again telling on media. I am doing a service. If my services are not required, the government can send me a letter. Take all these 180 people with psychiatric disability and close my homes down. All the homes are rented. I don't own any property, neither do I own any buildings. What I own is only some cars, which we use to transport the people. We don't have any assets. We are not running it as a profit-making business, as an old age home, as a paid shelter home. We are running as a shelter home for people who are having mental disabilities and living on the streets and who have no family to care for them. This cannot go on. Next time we will come with all 180 people.
Exactly.
These cannot. Every time they are promising. They are showing us I'm moving the file as if they are doing me a favor. On the other, she's telling my person, no, we are doing a favor by approving his house. Are approving? Complicated.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
आम्ही सांगपाक इतलें आसा पळय आमी सोशल वर्क तेका सगळ्यांक आमी येयले तेका सपोर्ट करपाक कारण जेन्ना अशी बायलां जावं कोणी आमकां मेळटा जाल्यार आमी तेकाच फोन करता पुलिसांक सांगता तेजे कडेन व्हरोन सोड म्हणून आनी आज जर ती बायलां जे हँडिकॅप कशें आसा तांकां सबंद दिसाक 3 फावटी 4 फावटी टॅबलेट दिवपाक जाय एक मनीस तेंच्या वांगडा जाय अशें सगळें केअर घेता जाल्यार सरकारा कडेन स्वता कडेन खरें म्हणलें जाल्यार खंयच सेंटर ना शिमला तेंचे आसा ते कशें पाड पडला ते पळय आणि तो खंय तरी आपूण कितें बरें करता आणि आमी तेका व्हरोन तेचे कडेन सोडटा तो आतां आमकां सांगता तुमी हाडून दवरलेली बायलां तुमी व्हरा हांवें खंय व्हरपाचें म्हणून हांवें म्हाज्या लोकांक महालक्ष्मीन दवरपाक हाडले सीएमाक सांगुया म्हणून हेजी मनशां हेणे हाडली रामा म्हणटा तेणे हाडली आमचे लोक जर आमी हेजे कडेन दवरता हो केअर घेता जाल्यार हो जर आतां तो केअर घेना आमची म्हणजे आमकां खंय खंय मेळटा पळय ती आमचे फॅमिलीची कोणूच ना ती आमची वाळपयची एकटी आसा ती तिचे घर जळा सगळे जळे जाल्यार तिका थंय स्ट्रक्चर बांदून दिवपाक जाताली तिका शाळेन दवरली सकाळी एका फोन मारून हेचे कडेन दिली करतले कितें आणि आज सरकार जर 2,500 रुपयान तांकां दिसता 2,500 रुपयान एका मनशाचे केअर घेवपाचे जाता अशें जायना ह्या लोकांक इतलो पगार वाडयला कित्याक
This is all the cause of Jyoti Desai, who is the deputy.
ती आपल्या पगाराचो दिता
This is not the government.
कोण आपल्या पगाराचो दिना
This is
अरे
our
2,500 जाता कितें आज कितें हें आसा म्हारगाय खंय पावल्या आनी तुमी 2,500 खरें म्हणलें जाल्यार प्रत्येकाक 8,000 9,000 10,000 10,000 दिवपाक
In
जाय
one shelter home, we are paying 8,000 rupees to that particular shelter home for each inmate for food and for stay. 8,000, and the scheme is 5,000. No
फॅमिली
problem.
तांकां दवरूंक सोदिना आणि कोण कितें
This problem would
करता
not have
सरकाराकडेच कितें बंदोबस्त आहा आणि कितें जर सेंट्रलाचे जावं गव्हर्नमेंटाचे कितें मेळटा दिया तुम्ही येदो व्हडले इव्हेंट करता तुमचो पगार इतलो वाडोवन घेतला मागीर ह्या लोकांचो इतलें कित्याक आमी आज ताका लागून हांगासर म्हणलें ताका चल आमी या सीएमाक सांगुया महालक्ष्मीन तरी वचून रावया कितें पोटाचें आमचें जातालें पळोवया म्हणून आमी आज हांगा येयली बॉल घालपाक
पळयात हांव इतलेंच सांगपाक सोदतां आतां तुमी हांगा पळयलें आसतलें 30 जाणां आसा थोडी बसीन बशिल्लीं आसा पूण इट इज नॉट ओनली द 30 नंबर इट इज इन टोटल 180 नंबर लेट मी टेल वेन दीस मॅन is doing an excellent good noble cause noble service करतो तो it is not as he said money making racket or profit making business so he is doing it we have to appreciate and we have to all out give him support आता इतलें वायट दिसता की हितूंत आसा ती डॉनल्डाच्यो प्रतिमाच्यो शंकराची आमची भयण ना कोण आमची आवय आमची मावशी आमची कोण ना बाय माशेन बिशेन हे पळय हे बाबडेन ऑलिव्हिया म्हणटे नावेलीचें एवरी वन नोज इन नावेली हाव शी इज टू रोम she do not have anything wear anything today see look at the state how clean she's maintained medication आणि 2,500 कितें पावता तांकां वखदांक पयशे जाय तांकां जेवपाक जाय कपडे घालपाक जाय सर्वंटांक पयशे दिवपाक जाय only once said and done we said we are coming we came here Jyoti I condemn what has happened today Jyoti Desai is not worth sitting
Arrogant,
on
very
that
arrogant.
chair very arrogant lady she was doing as if हांगा आमकां कितें फायदो आसा म्हूण तिका हांवें सांगलें मॅडम डॉनल्ड आमकां फोन मारीत आसा तुजे कडेन 52 टायम्स तो येवन गेलो कोणाक तूं रडयता एक पेशंटाक 2,500 पावतात काय म्हणून ती म्हाका सांगता आनी आसा ताजे होप्स आनी आसा ताजे होप्स सो एरोगंट शी वॉज शी डिडंट नो टू टॉक आय फील आतां सीएमाक प्रमोदाक तेन्ना आमी सांगलें तेन्ना तो म्हाका विचारता डायरेक्टली हू इज ज्योती आय टोल्ड हिम युअर डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर म्हणून नाव आय फील दॅट सीएम ह्या हितूंतल्यान माध्यमांतल्यान सांगता सीएम हांचेर मातशें लक्ष घाल तुमच्या ऑफिसांत कोण बसल्या पळय ते आपले सगळें करपाक लाग तांकां असलें कांयच पडून वचूना सीएमाक देखून वायट दिसलें सीएमान म्हणलें हांकां कित्याक घेवन येवपा आसलें पूण म्हाका दिसता की जाणो खंय तरी दोडे उक्ते करपाक जाय न्ही वेन यू सी नो यू बिलीव एंड दॅट्स वाय वी बॉट देम एंड वी हॅड बॉट देम टू शो मीट ज्योती ज्योतीन आमकां एरोगंट केलें आमकां केअर करुना दॅट्स वाय वी प्रपोज टू कम हियर बिकॉज डॉनल्ड सेज प्रतिमा पालो तुवें दिल्या तांकां तूं घेवन वच शंकर वचून दी रामा वचून दी खंय वतली आमी म्हणून सीएमाक सांगपा येयलें नाल्यार तूं हांगा दवर म्हणटा तुजो बंगलो व्हडलो आसा म्हणून बट सीएम हॅज अश्युअर्ड डॉनल्ड टू कम ऑन मंडे इज गिवन हिम अपॉइंटमेंट विथ ऑल द लायक मायंडेड जो मेन आसा पळय तांकां डायरेक्टराक बीन घेवन वुमन एंड चायल्डाक तो कितें आसा तें करतलो म्हूण ताणें आश्वासन दिलां
Okay. And what is your personal experience with these people?
ओके
आमी आतां काल गेलेले ताका मेळपाक ते आमकां कितें सांगता ते सांगता आमकां घुस्पयता स्कीम बंद जाली ना डॉनल्डान हें केलें ऑप्ट आउट केलं फ्रॉम द स्वाधार ग्रे स्कीम एंड ही इज नाव गोईंग इन टू द स्टेट स्कीम आमी ताका कितले हेल्प केले आमी अशें करता तशें करता आमी तेजे घरा इन्स्पेक्शन केलें तिंगा इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क म्हणून सांगलें अशें पासून म्हटलां तिणें तर आमी म्हणलें नॉट अप टू द मार्क जाल्यार ते आयज पासून ही आमची सगळे लेडीज आहा पळय ते काय बरें आसा नॉट अप टू द मार्क म्हणटा तूं सगळे लोक घुस्पयता सगळे लोक घुस्पान सांगता म्हणजे तांकां कितें खबर आहा की आमकां कांयच खबर ना म्हणलें मॅडम आय हॅव डन रिसर्च ऑन द स्वाधार ग्रे स्कीम आय हॅव सीन द website is still functioning, the Swadhar Grey scheme is still running. There are 357 Swadhar Greys in India. Okay? गोंयांच कित्याक ना कित्याक गोंया ना कित्याक हेणी जे पळय इनिशिएटीव घेवपाक जाय आसलेले पळय ते घेयना हे सुसगाद बसले थिंगासर पूण आमी कितें करपाचें सगळी ती सगळी बायलो आहा पळय ती रस्त्यार आहा सामा यूज सामा मिसयूज सो ताका लागून आमी आनी ताणें डॉनल्डान पासून म्हटलें आमकां बाबा तुवें आमची कितली भुरगीं हाडले कितली लेडीज हाडल्या तांकां वर आतां आपणे कडेन जायना तो फ्रस्ट्रेट जालो कितले वर्सान कितले पावटी म्हणून ताणें वचून तेजे ऑफिसान बसपाचें ज्योतीची ऑफिसान सो ताका लागून आमी आतां कंटिन्युअसली हें करता ताका तेणें आतां सांगलां आमकां 15 दिसांनी करता म्हणल्यार 15 दिसां आमी कितें करपाचें आनी सगळो लोक एश्युरन्सूच दिता फकत आमी सांगलें तूं बरोवन दी
She said 15 days, but CM said in the new year, so she was telling that.
15 दीस दी आमी तुका स्टेट स्कीम हे करून येतले अपग्रेड करून स्टेट स्कीम अपग्रेड करून तुमकां एक्स्ट्रा कितें करता आमी तूं इतले 6 म्हयने जेन्ना पळय डॉनल्ड येतालो तुका मेळपाक 6 म्हयने तुका आतां कळोंक ना 100 म्हयने कोंक ना तुका ती अपग्रेड करूंक जाय म्हणून म्हारगाय खंय पावल्या.
Last year, Subhash had come. Subhash Paldese had gone to our office on my behalf. She promised him, I will revise the scheme. That was 1 year back. Now she's saying, I forgot. She can't forget. She's
ना आता शी इज ब्लेमिंग द स्टाफ. आपण तुमकां सांगलेलें कर आनी तें कर तें कर.
खबरो मारूंक बसता ऑफिसांनी.
थँक्यू.
So we are going to look after them, but there has to be some solution to this problem.
थँक्यू.
Thank you.
आम्ही सीएमाक मेळपाक गेल्ले आनी पयलीं आमी ह्युमन चायल्ड डिपार्टमेंटान गेले आनी आमची डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर आहा तिची एटिट्यूड पळोवन मातशे कन्फ्यूज जाले सारके की गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटांक मातसो मत मारला गो दिसता. ते सांग जी कामां करपाक जाय न्हू ती करिना आनी नाका जाल्ली कामां करूंक बसले थंयसर. आयज एक्चुअली हे सरकारान बसलेले जे सगळे लोक आहात न्हू तुमकां आमचो टॅक्साचो पयसो वयता. आमी घाम कश्ट काडटा टॅक्स पे करता तेन्ना तुमकां खंय तरी पगार मेळटा. आनी ही आतां फाटल्यान जी बायलां आसलेली न्हू जेन्ना इलेक्शन येता खबर आहा तुका तेन्ना व्हीलचेअर धाडून तेंचे वोट मागून घेतात तुमी. हे लोक हेंचे वोट जाय तुमकां. आनी आयज तेंची परिस्थिती पळया कशी ती. सीएमान सुद्दां दूख काडलें. आयच्या दिसाक हांव सीएमाक एप्रिशिएट करता. आमी सदांच सरकाराच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता पूण आयज ज्या पद्दतीन आमी हांगासर येयले 10 मिनटां सुद्दां आमकां भायर दवरूंक ना. सगळ्यांक त्या बायलांक सुद्दां तेणी भितून घेतली तेंकां च्या पाणी दिलें कितें आनी बऱ्यातले बऱ्या पद्दतीन तेणी सिच्युएशन जाणून घेतलें. हे कोणी करपाक जाय आसलें ते ऑफिसरान करपाक जाय आसलें. तेणी करूंक ना. तिची भाशा डोनाल्ड वांगडा एरोगंट सारकी. आपूण तुका हें केलां तें केलां. उपकार करतात रे आमचेर उपकार करता. आमी तुमचेर उपकार करता मरे. तुमी कामाक कशे लागतात न्हू कितें आनी तुमचे कशे साधता न्हू ते आमकां खबर आहा. हेंचेर मरे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर जे आहात न्हू ए ग्रेड ऑफिसर आहात वर्सान एकदां ईडी लावपाक जाय हेंचेर आनी हेंचे एसेट चॅक करपाक जाय. सगळ्यांचे एसेट चॅक करपाक जाय. हेंकां मत मारला हेंकां. आमी पॉलिटिशियनांक ब्लेम करता. पॉलिटिशियनांक ब्लेम करून फायदो ना. हे जे गव्हर्मेंटान ऑफिसर बसलेत न्हू हेंच्या खातीर आयज सगळे कर्मकांड येता. हे गरीबांक अंडरस्टँड करूं शकना. ते कितें हे करतले रे. आयज खरेंच हांव सीएमाक एप्रिशिएट करता. तेणी आमचे आयकून घेतले प्रॉब्लेम तेणी आपूण सॉल्व करता म्हणून एश्युरन्स दिलें. सोमारा डोनाल्डाक तेणी टायम दिला आनी तूं यो आनी कितें आहा तें आपूण सगळें आनी त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे डायरेक्टर डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर सेक्रेटरी सगळ्यांक आपूण हाडून मिटींग घेता आनी आपूण तुजे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करता म्हणून सांगला. ओके आनी हांव आशा धरता हे प्रॉब्लेम हांगासर सॉल्व जातले आनी परत आमकां हांगासर येवचें पडचें ना. देव बरें करूं.
एक वायट गजाल एकूच दिसता म्हाका की गोंयच्या सरकाराचो बजेट जो आसा वो 26,800 crores. कितलो 26,800 crores. हातूंतलो 1% सुद्दां असल्या लोकांक तर युटिलायज 1% म्हणटा हांव कित्याक तेंचो अधिकार तो 1% सुद्दां तांकां युटिलायज करता कितल्या कोटींनी पयसो जाता. सो आज तो इतलो कोटींनी पयसो जाल्यार बील कितलें आसलें रे ताजें ते क्लियर करपा लागून जाला कितें. इफ सच कायंड ऑफ ऑफिसर डू नॉट विमन अँड चायल्ड तर थंयसर बसल्या ताका तर कन्सर्न ना विमनाची आनी 1.5 वर्स तर थंयसर रावचें पडटा जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ती शी डोंट डिजर्व टू बी सिटींग ओवर देर. शी शूड बी चेंज. दुसरो कोण हाडून तरी बसोवपाक जाय थंयसर. हो एटिट्यूडाचे लोक उपकारना थंयसर. कित्याक 2 गोश्टी अंडरस्टँड करपाक जाय आमकां. जेन्ना लोक रस्त्यार आसता आमची बायलां जेन्ना रस्त्यार आसता तांकां जेन्ना हॉस्पिटलान एडमीट करपाक सुद्दां 4 फावटी पुलीस चित्ता. कित्याक जेन्ना हॉस्पिटलान एडमीट केले काय न्हू ती सारकी जाल्या उपरांत पुलीस हे मेडिकल जे आसा पळय पुलिसांक कॉल करता. पुलीस म्हणटा की पुलीस उखलपाक लागून कित्याक फाटीं फुडें जाता ते व्हरोन खंय दवरतले हें क्वेश्चन येता. जेन्ना आमचे कडेन जेन्ना पुलीस म्हणपाक लागले बाबा त्याची काळजी कोण घेतलो फुडें व्हरपाचें काम आमी करता पूण ते काळजी कोण करता. देन वी एश्युअर दॅट डोनाल्ड इज देर. डोनाल्ड करतलो म्हणून आमी स्ट्रीट कोविडान आसा पळय तेची काळजी घेतली म्हणून सांगता. ताज्या आदारान एक्चुअली काम कोणी करूंक जाय आसलें सरकारान करपाक जाय आशिल्लें. सरकाराची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आतां सेंट्रल स्कीम बंद जाल्या म्हणून सांगता ती आमकां सांगपाक लागली. सेंट्रल स्कीम पळय लक्षात दवरा. सेंट्रल स्कीम 2000 वर्स पयलीं ती बंद जाले आनी ती गव्हर्मेंट टेक ओवर करतले म्हणपाक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर गव्हर्मेंट बांदतलो अशी खंय नवीन येयल्ली आसा खंय. आतां ते जर करतले जाल्यार 1.5 वर्स तुमी कितें केलें. 1.5 वर्स डिपार्टमेंटांनी कम्युनिकेशन करपाक जाय आशिल्लें की बाबा PWDक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रेडी करपाक लागून. तो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रेडी जावंक नासतना तुमी म्हणटा कितें एका रिलॅक्सेशन दी. डोनाल्डाक सांगले तुमी येयला तेन्ना ती तर स्कीम ना आमी लोकल स्कीम करता तूं ती विड्रॉ कर म्हणून सांगली. खंयची हांगासर नॅशनल स्कीम जी आसा पळय ती विड्रॉ करपाक लागली. आतां विड्रॉ करता म्हणल्यार तेणी कितें करतें ताका तरी पयशे तरी जाय रन करपाक. म्हणजे विड्रॉ करतना 2,000 रुपया 2,000-2,500 रुपयान कोणाचें पोट भरतले. हाव इट इज पॉसिबल. जस्ट टेल मी. जरी तर एक मनीस गोंयान रावता आनी तो मनीस जो आमदार आसा तेजी सॅलरी 1.5 लाख पावना तेका जाल्यार दुसरो मनीस आसा दुसरी बायल मनीस आसा हांगासर जे बायलेक आमी सिताचे रुपान पळयत आनी पळोवपाक लायला आमकां ती सितेक कशें 2,000 रुपयान जातले कशें सर्वायवल जातलें. This is a question to the government. When we say की आमचे रामराज म्हणून जाल्यार रामराज्यान सीतेकूय रिस्पेक्ट आसपाक जाय आनी ती सीता जी आहा पळय रस्त्यार सोडप ना ती सीतेकूय त्याच भशेन ट्रिटमेंट जावपाक जाय जे आमदाराकूय ट्रिटमेंट जाता 1.5 लाख तुका सॅलरी आसा मरे एटलीस्ट तेचे प्रोविजन तरी करून दवरपाक जाय आमचे डिमांड व्हेरी क्लियर आसा जरी तर रामाक आमी इलेक्शन कॅम्पेनाक यूज करता जाल्यार रामाच्या नांवान ते सीतेकूय आमी थंयसर कन्सर्न करपाक जाय आनी म्हाका आश्वासन सीएमान आश्वासन दिल्लें आसा की आमी ताका इमिजिएटली तांकां प्रोविजन दितले आनी फाटलो जो पेमेंट जो आसा म्हणल्यार 1.5 वर्साचो पेमेंट जो आसा तो तांकां मेळपाक जाय स्ट्रीट प्रोव्हिडंटाक
आणि ही कामां मरे सरकार करूंक शकना सरकारा कडेन केन्ना ती कामां करपाक जावची ना डोनाल्डा असले लोक आहात न्हू तेच लोक ते करपाक शकता डोनाल्डान सीएमाक डायरेक्ट सांगले मरे की तू आपण सगळे हाडटा तुका गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन दिता गव्हर्मेंटाक तांकां एकोमोडेट करून म्हणून सीएम म्हणून पांया पडटा तू करता ते तूच कर म्हणून तूच ते काम बरें करूंक शकता आमचे कडेन जावचें ना म्हणून हे सीएमान स्टेटमेंट केला
आणि लास्ट इतलेंच सांगपाक सोदता सरकारा कडेन सगळे सहन करपाक खूब पयशे आसा कोट्यांनी पयशे आसा जावं ते इनॉग्रेशन करूं एअरपोर्टाचे या जावं ते ऑलिंपिक्स गेम्साचे एडवर्टिजमेंट बोर्ड्साक कोट्यांनी पयशे घालता हांव इतलेंच म्हणटा की तेज्या इतलेशे लाकूड पळय 1 लाकूड आसा पळय तितले दिवन ह्या लोकांक दिले न्ही खूब बरें मागतले बरें तुमकां बरें भोगतले तुमी आनी ब्लेसिंग्स मेळटले आनी लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट आय एम ऑल्सो अप्रिशिएटिंग सेम टुडे फर्स्ट टायम दॅट he was kind enough he could not see the plight of these ladies it was not easy for us to bring those ladies here but then we thought as I've said तेणे दोळ्यान पळयलें जाल्यार मागीर कळटा म्हणून गमता म्हणून कितले दूख जाता ते आनी हेंची एक चाय खंय हॉटेलान गेल्यार एक तुमी पळयलां आसतलें आमदार मिनिस्टर आसा लास्ट आनी कोण तो दिगंबर कामतीन प्रस्ताव घातलो एसेंब्लीत आमचो पगार वाड कर आमकां पेट्रोल वाड कर आनी तांचें केलें सो दॅट इज मोर डिजर्विंग दीस इज डिजर्विंग सो हांव इतलेंच मागतां की सीएमान एश्युरन्स दिल्ले आसा की तो सोमारा डोनाल्डाक आनी आमकां सांगला तेणें अपॉयंटमेंट दितलो सगळ्यांक घेवन बसतलो आनी करतलो म्हणून सो आय एम व्हेरी थँकफूल इन एडवान्स उलय हांव म्हणटा देव बरें करूं कित्याक दीस इज समथींग अ नोबल कॉज म्हणून देव बरें करूं